Namaskar. It gives me immense joy to be part of Nath Bindu Dilip Languji's inspiring initiative. Song of Return. This program is not just about music. It is about memory, identity, and belonging. It's a call for all of us, especially our youth, to reconnect with the roots of Kashmiri Pandit culture, a heritage that has given the world so much wisdom, beauty, and depth. After our community's exile from the valley, Kashmiri Pandits have flourished, especially their boys and girls, across the world, be it in science, in art, in technology, in business, in public life, and so on. But despite that, all the success that we have seen, there still remains a deep desire, deep yearning amongst us for our homeland, for our songs, for the spiritual values that Kashmir once built in every home. Through Song of Return, we are reminded that our culture not only lives in geography, but in our voices, our stories, and our devotion, our temples, and so on and so forth. The songs and traditions of our ancestors actually carry timeless messages. In fact, as they say, music is memory and memory is identity. I wish to commend Dilip Languji's remarkable effort to take this message across 100 cities, celebrating Ma Indrakshi and highlighting our spiritual and cultural significance in our lives. This reminds us about Shakti, the cosmic feminine power, which is not just a concept hidden in our scriptures, but this is the energy that sustains, protects, and inspires us in our everyday life. Let this kindle pride and belonging among our youth. Let them sing the songs of our valley. Remember our saints. Remember our culture, especially the essence of our culture, and which to me has been to bring knowledge, values, devotion, all in tandem. Wishing Dilip Languji and his entire team the very best for this beautiful mission which they have undertaken. May Ma Indrakshi's grace be with us, with all of us. Jai Sharda Ma, Jai Shakti. Thank you.